You know what I'm a huge fan of? Dill.
I was cooking with dill just last night.
What were you doing?
Oh, well, I made your mother my special potatoes.
They're very good.
What are
which
your
are
special
With
potatoes?
dill.
smashed potatoes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Where you make the potato, you parboil 15 minutes,
Yeah.
jerseys, get them out, let them cool, squash them
Squish
down,
them
put
down.
They
them
know
in,
what
rub
a
them all in
smashed
butter,
potato
salt and
is.
pepper, put them in the
Yeah.
oven, 45
Yeah.
minutes to an hour and a half,
Crispy.
max, crispy, and then the cream, whip up the double cream, add the dill, add the lemon, make it sour. Don't add the lemon before you whip it because it won't whip as easy, and then use that to dip the potatoes in.
Sounds like
It's a calorific
Sexy.
nightmare.
Yeah.
You can hear your arteries
clearly
hardening
not
as
on-
you eat it.
You're not on a diet this
Not
week.
at the moment, and I did that with last night barbecue ribs, a few sausages,
Yum!
and then what did we have for afterwards? Oh, Dubai chocolate.